Welcome back to Skyseachannel, the channel that always discusses anything about the sea. Today, we have a special topic for you, the interesting facts about dolphins that you might not know before. Dolphins are amazing creatures that have fascinated humans for centuries. They are highly intelligent, social, and playful animals that can be found in every ocean and some rivers. But how much do you really know about them? Here are some of the most interesting facts about dolphins that will blow your mind. Fact number 1. Did you know that dolphins are closely related to whales? They belong to the group of mammals called cetaceans, which are divided into two groups, baleen whales and toothed whales. Dolphins are toothed whales, which means they have teeth and use echolocation to find their prey. That's right, they can send sound waves that bounce off objects and return to their ears. This way, they can locate their food even in dark or murky waters. Fact number 2. Another thing that makes dolphins amazing is their diversity. There are 36 different species of dolphins, and they vary in size, shape, color, and behavior. The largest dolphin is the orca, or killer whale, which can grow up to 32 feet long and weigh up to 6 tons. The smallest dolphin is the Maui dolphin, which is only 5 feet long and weighs about 90 pounds. Some dolphins have long noses, some have short noses. Some have spots, some have stripes. Some live in warm waters, some live in cold waters. Some even live in rivers. There's so much diversity among dolphins that it's hard to keep track of them all. Fact number 3. But that's not all. Dolphins also have amazing personalities. They are very friendly and affectionate animals that love to cuddle and kiss each other in their pods. They live in groups called pods, which can range from a few individuals to hundreds or even thousands of dolphins. They communicate with each other using squeaks, whistles, clicks, and body language. Some dolphins can even talk and understand each other over the phone. Yes, you heard me right. Researchers have found that dolphins can recognize each other's voices over a speakerphone and respond accordingly. They can also imitate human speech and learn new words and commands. Fact number 4. Dolphins are not only friendly, but also smart. They have brains that are 25% larger than humans and have more folds than any other animal on Earth. This means they have more surface area for processing information. They can learn new skills, solve problems, use tools, recognize themselves in mirrors, and even understand some human words and gestures. They can also play games, solve puzzles, and perform tricks. Some dolphins have even been trained to help the military with tasks like detecting mines, locating divers, or delivering messages. Dolphins are so smart that some people think they should have their own rights and protections as non-human persons. Did you know that dolphins have the longest memory in the animal kingdom? They can remember their friends and enemies for decades. Fact number 5. Dolphins are also very playful animals. They like to jump out of the water, spin in the air, ride waves, and play with objects and other animals. They also have a twisted sense of humor and can make jokes that will make you cry with laughter or cringe with embarrassment. For example, some dolphins have been known to blow bubbles and then pop them with their noses. They also like to tease and prank each other and sometimes even mess with fishermen or play with their food. Dolphins are always up for some fun and mischief. Fact number 6. Dolphins are not only playful, but also caring animals. They help each other when they are sick or injured, and sometimes even help other species, such as whales, seals, and humans. They also have strong bonds with their mothers and stay with them for several years. Some dolphins even have lifelong friends. Dolphins are very loyal and compassionate creatures that show empathy and altruism to others in need. Fact number 7. Dolphins are also very hungry animals. They eat mostly fish and squid, but sometimes also crustaceans, octopus, sea turtles, sharks, and even birds. They can eat up to 33 pounds of food per day, depending on their size and activity level. They also have 2 stomachs, one for storing food and one for digesting it. That's why they can eat so much without getting sick. But don't worry, they don't eat humans. In fact, they have been known to save humans from shark attacks or drowning by pushing them to the surface or scaring away the predators. How do they decide what to eat and how much to eat? Well, they use their echolocation and their intelligence to find the best food sources and avoid the dangerous ones. Fact number 8. Dolphins are also very fast animals. They can zoom through the water at a speed of 18 miles per hour, and some species can leap up to 20 feet high in the air. They can also dive deeper than the Eiffel Tower and hold their breath longer than most Olympic swimmers. They have a special adaptation called a blowhole that allows them to breathe through the top of their head. This way, they don't have to open their mouth or expose their teeth when they surface. It also helps them make sounds and spray water. These are just some of the amazing facts about dolphins that you might not know before. Dolphins are truly incredible animals that deserve our respect and protection. I hope this video is useful and adds to our insight. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to get other interesting video updates. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.